if you ever wish your robot vacuum actually, mop like a human, not just smear water all around, you're gonna wanna see this. Meet the ECOVACS T80 OMNI. Now, it's not just smart, it's powerful, like 18,000 PA powerful. And this time, ECOVACS isn't charging you for flashy gimmicks. It's giving you real cleaning performance. Let's get to it. Now, this is ECOVACS' latest premium robot vacuum. But unlike other flagship robots, the T80 OMNI was built for people who cares about results, not just specs. It's packing top-tier suction, next-gen mopping, and truly hands-free station at a price that won't make your wallet cry. Now, honestly, in my opinion, this one's for clean freaks, okay? People who want their floors spotless. Now, are you a pet owner? This is the best for you. How about families who has no time to clean the house? Great. Or maybe anyone with lots of foot traffic. Now let's break down what makes the T80 OMNI different and also better. The first one is the Osmo Roller Instant Self-Washing Mopping. Now this isn't your average flat pad, okay? It uses a high-speed roller that scrubs at 200 RPM with 16 times downward pressure. It literally lifts dirt off the floor instead of dragging it all around, you know what I mean? Now, after every section, it returns to the base to wash itself, so you're always cleaning with the fresh mop. I love that. Now, this is what the mop looks like. It's a roller. It delivers water to the mop and it scrapes the old gunk out of it so that it mops fresh every single time. The second feature is the True Edge 2.0 Adaptive Edge Cleaning. Now, have you ever had a robot vacuum that kind of forgot about cleaning the edges? This one's different. The roller can extend and adapt to hug baseboards and corners, meaning no more robot miss the edge moments. I hate that, right? The third feature is the 18,000 PA suction and the Zero Tangle 3.0. Yeah, you've heard that right. 18,000 PA. That's one of the strongest on the market. It pulls up pet hair, sand, even cereal. And the anti-tangle design means you're not cutting hair off the rollers every week. And I hate doing that, it's so gross, right? This one never tangles. Amazing. The fourth one is the truly hands-free Omni Station. Now this thing washes the mop, dries it with hot air, and empties the dustbin. It even refills the water tank. You literally don't touch it for weeks. The next feature is the Smart Navigation. It has an AI-powered navigation which quickly maps your home and optimizes routes. So you can set room schedules, no-go zones as well, if you have pets and, babies maybe. And custom mop levels, all from the app. I love how easy it is to just pull out your phone, do all that, and basically hands-free, and you're ready to go. The next feature is the compact design at 98 millimeters. Now it's only 98 millimeters tall, so it fits under low furniture where most bots just bounce off. I love how it can clean under my couch, under my bed, and it's able to move around in it and come out without any hassle at all. Some of the robots I've tested here, they actually get stuck under the couch, but not this one. Now, if you want to vacuum during the night, like, most of us, and maybe it's going under the couch where it's dark, the T80 has a flashlight where it uses so that it can see in front of it, and then it'll be able to vacuum even during the dark, which is nice. Now, in my real-world test, it vacuumed and mopped 800 square feet in under 1 hour. And the floors felt squeaky clean. No sticky spots, no residue as well. Now, I also tested it against a higher price flagship, and the T80 picked up more debris and left less water streaks. Now look, this isn't just another robot vacuum, okay? It's a deep cleaning machine disguised as a smart home gadget. ECOVACS actually nailed the balance between price and performance here. Now, if you're tired of half-clean floors and overpriced bots, the T80 OMNI is absolutely worth it. I would recommend for you guys to check it out. Now, thanks for watching. If you've got pets, maybe kids, or just, you love clean floors, this is the one to beat. I'll drop the link below if you want to check it out. And hey, if this video helped you a lot, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button as well. And if you have any questions, I'll see you in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next time. Peace!